Well, let's see what we have here today. Got an older carrier. When I got here, the fan was running about half speed. Let's get into this thing, find out what's going on. Get you here in the tripod, nifty little tripod. So we're going to adjust you a few times and get you set up. Let's see. Right there. Oh no. Well, I thought it was going to be something exciting. And it's nothing but a stupid capacitor. Sometimes that nifty bit, you can't get it on. You can't get it on the bracket. The bracket gets in the way. She's a ballpark. Alright, let's go get another capacitor and get this thing started up. And walk around here. 35.5. And the filter hasn't been changed on this thing since, I don't know, April of 2019. So we got a new filter for them. Throw that in the junk pile. Let's see. We will take 35.5. Slide it back in. Nice and flat. It's not a ballpark. And we'll set you back up. Can you see? You can see. I always take my fan wire and I throw it back over onto the contactor because it's long enough, it doesn't need to go to the capacitor. That's stupid. That stupid shaft is bent. How does that happen? Klein mag driver. Contactors pulled in, good shape. And we'll throw the disconnect back in. Oh, and it starts up. Off we go. She's cooling. I'm not going to stick my gauges on it. You don't have to stick your gauges on every call you go to. Old R22 system with a piston. Yeah, it's working. Alrighty then. That is just a standard stupid call. I'm going to throw a filter in, give them a bill, and I'm out of here. So I'll see you on the next one.